Hey there, and thank you so much for watching. So this is an exciting day because I get to start packing up my stuff because my mom has finally made the decision on her own to sell the house. So I gotta clear up out of here, which is very exciting. Trying to break this down into manageable chunks. It's gonna be a big job because there's 30 years of clutter in here. I am aiming to start, you can see behind me, there's a lot of stuff in here. Working kind of systematically. Today's mission is to declutter the dining room of all my stuff. So if you're interested in seeing more of that, then just keep watching. Okay, so here is the area that we're going to be focusing on. It's just a corner of the dining room. My mission for today is to remove all my stuff from this corner. So I've done my typical lay down a sheet, and what I'm gonna do is pull everything out and put it onto the sheet and then sort, then clean, and then pack away. This is everything I pulled out from the bookcases over there, and now they are completely empty, which is exciting. Okay, so this is phase 2 of the project, in which I go through all of this stuff, sort out what's garbage, which I'm guessing it's 90% of it. Well, let me say, probably 60% will be garbage, 20% will be like supplies, like office supplies and stationery and stuff, and then 20% will be things that I want to keep, either for sentimental archive reasons or important documents. That's the plan now. I took a quick break to go get some groceries and make some coffee. So that I'm trying to get this done all in kind of one fell swoop to kind of get the energy up and to just get it done and over with. This is supposed to be kind of like a surprise because my mom's actually out at a yoga class, so she will be back any moment. My goal is to have it done by the time she's back. It is, what time is it? It's about 9:37. Her class is over at 10, so maybe 10 minutes transit time. So I don't know. I'm aiming to just do it really quick and not take a lot of time thinking about it. So that is the plan. So I have a garbage bag, some gloves, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna sort and then throw away. So that's the plan right now. Stay tuned. Okay, that did not take half as long as I thought, which was a pleasant surprise. So, took just over 17 minutes to sort through everything and decide what's what. And I was actually a little bit off. It was only about 20% garbage, 75%, well, let me not say that, 30% my stuff, and then 50% supply stuff. Like printer paper, storage boxes, whiteout pens, assorted chargers that I have no idea where they go to. So that's sitting here, like pencil cups, that's sitting here in a big pile, and I will sort through that next. And then there's my stuff that I need to deal with. That's just gonna go into my room, which honestly, or my room is like a holding area for all my stuff that I need to deal with and get rid of. So that's pretty satisfying, I would say. So I could say officially, for the most part, I mean, like one more glance through, but for the most part, all of my stuff is out of the dining room. So I will swing you around and show you what we've done today. So that is all the stuff. Supply stuff. So we've got like printer paper, legal pads, pencil cups, those little like file box thingies there. And then that filing case is empty, should anyone need it. That's my stuff that I need to go through and organize. I have like my holiday recipes, my holiday traditions, holiday notes and stuff, and a couple two books. And then over, let me stand up to the dining room. Oh, I need to get that stuff over there in the corner. So over here, let me actually do this with you. This stuff is supplies, I think. Supplies, and then there's like the deed to my mom's car, so she'll need that. Okay. So all in, not bad for a day's work. And what kind of prompted this on, was my mom put her name down for a waiting list for some properties in the area to take a look at them. And I'm like, that's awesome. Because the thing is, this place will be paid off. She has enough in savings to do that. And I'm really proud of her and surprised that she was able to do that. I was like, all right, Mom, awesome. Good for you. So really, really proud of her there. And again, the problem has been that she can't find anything comparable for less, anything that would give her the same or better living conditions for less money. So that's the goal, is to find something where she would be paying less and living in a better situation. And then she can release this and just have something full that she owns full out, that's less work to maintain, and will give her kind of a little bit extra to be able to travel with. So that is the goal, and she's working it, man. I am continually astounded and amazed by her. So let me finish this off, get those last few things where they need to go to their homes, and then I'm gonna reward myself with a donut. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. This is like a real life clean with me. There's still areas that aren't clean, as you can see, but this area is completely clean and decluttered for sure. But it's just where we are right now. So thanks for watching.